Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to St. Bernard Acres. This is Saturday the 8th of July. Going to be doing some more yard work, more land clearing. Over here next to the parking area where I started kind of clearing out, I have a bunch of 3 and 4 inch trees that we took down that are piled up in this mess now. I want to get this cut down some, and I'm going to use a jaw saw and cut a bunch of those up, throw them in the truck so I can take them back to Wheeling to have fires at night at Wheeling when I'm there. But I'll get a bunch for there so we can use the fire ring at home. But yeah, I mean, it don't make for sexy video, but it's all stuff that has to be done. You know, there's a lot of stuff out here that I do that doesn't go on video. It doesn't make for interesting video, I don't think. But some people like this kind of stuff. I got to get it done. I'll shoot some video for those that are interested in it. Should be quite a chore. But let me get started on this thing. It's pretty warm. It's probably 80 degrees, pretty humid. But supposed to be some rain moving in. I'm going to try to get some of this done before the rain gets here. We'll see how that works out. I gotta try and get to this pile back here. So I'm gonna start clearing away what I can, pull them out as I do it. Now, fortunately, I have the dumpster available to me that I can dump. I got a lot of trash in here. I mean, scrap shit type stuff. They got tossed over here. I'm gonna throw up in the truck, take it to the dumpster. Jaw saw's not gonna do this. Yeah. Damn. Holy crap. Telling you, these little things come in handy. I changed my mind. I'm gonna cut this up and it's all gonna go in the bed of the truck, around the corner, and off in my natural habitat I'm building. Holy shit! Alright, well, now I have to go unload the truck. I'm going to take it all the way around the corner of the property. Starting to get a little bit of a breeze. Never got the rain I was hoping for, but it's about 80 degrees, 81 inside the cabin. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you around back and show you how I switch over from solar to generator. I'm going to fire up the generator so I can go in, close the windows, turn the air conditioner on while I go dump this stuff, and I got to run to the store, get something for dinner tonight, and while I'm gone, the cabin will be cooling down and drying out. Because as humid as it is out here, it's just as humid in the cabin. So I'm going to, I got the vast majority of that stuff, but it's going to take a lot more work. It's just something I needed to get to. And I'm telling you, one of the things I'm glad about, I have running water now. I can go in there and wash up. Well, cold water tastes good. Alright, this is my power room. My batteries are fully charged, but I can't run the air conditioner all night on batteries. So I'm going to go ahead and fire up the generator now. It will run all night till tomorrow morning when I get up and turn it off. But what I do is I turn that on. Oh, I got to go get the cord. You see right there is a 30 amp RV receptacle. That is wired into my service panel inside the cabin. So right now it's the inverter that's plugged into it that is sending power to the cabin. And it would be fine all night. I'd just leave it like that. But I want to run the air conditioner, so I don't have enough battery for that. So I'm going to start the generator. And it's kind of nice. It's so much quieter being inside there, and I prop the door open so it can, the exhaust comes out. I got it by the door, but you'll see how I do it here in a minute. So the first thing I have to do is start this. Now, I like this being in this shed because it's supposed to rain tonight, and I don't like this stuff out in the rain. So I'll pull it out here a bit. See if I can get this baby to start. Turn it on. Turn on the choke. It's that easy. Close this up for a minute. I'm only using 20 amps. I've just plugged this into my regular 20 amp. I have a 30 amp cord that will go from that generator straight to the receptacle, but I don't need 30 amps. I only need 20 amps for what I'm running. So I'm just using this because I don't want to walk to the barn to get the 30 amps. For that to ventilate or exhaust. So now we come over here. All I do is unplug the solar. That extension cord is coming from the inverter. This is coming from the generator. I just plug that in. And now the generator is live. And I'm going to put this up here so that if it rains, the water runs down this way, it doesn't go inside it. You can see, turning around this way, it's 80 degrees inside the cabin. It's 80 outside. You can see that. 64% humidity inside. So, where's my air conditioner? There it is. Let's go turn that baby on, since we have power now. Oh yeah. Oh, thank you. Close some windows. Alright, I'm going to turn my little fan on. That helps. I'm probably going to, since I'm on generator, get up in the loft to get the big fan and plug it in. But, you see the sweat? Yeah, I'll work out here. I'm going to go unload all that stuff from the truck. You don't need to watch that. Drive back and put all my stuff in the shed, in the barn, and get ready to do my live stream, because it's 6:45 now. I got to go live in an hour, so I got to hurry. Later.